Working in drug inspection industry and want to store details, compliance status, and capture photos directly from the field, in real time? MAPOG's mobile data collection allows inspectors to capture verified data, exact locations, and photos directly from the field. No paperwork. No data loss. Everything syncs instantly to a centralized map. First, collect all drug store details, names, type, ownership, and coordinates, and store them in an Excel or CSV file. Go to story.mapog.com and go to Survey from the dashboard. Click Create New under Mobile Data Collection. Provide a clear survey name, description, project type, duration, and survey frequency, tailored for drug inspections. Next, define how inspection locations appear on the map. Under Select Point Type, click Create New and name it Drug Inspection. Choose a color and set the geometry type as point. Add relevant attributes like license status, store type, ownership, and compliance level. Set attribute types as select, multi-select, or text. Location types help keep data consistent while allowing flexible attributes, and can be reused for future inspections. Enable contributor access and save it. You can reorder attributes anytime. Now select the recently created location type from drop-down and allow settings such as user can add locations and edit them also. Lastly, save and continue to move on to next step. Now add survey questions using Add Question option. Include select fields, multi-select options, and image upload as answer type, so inspectors can attach real-time photos from the field. Upload the prepared Excel or CSV file with Add New Location by uploading CSV/Excel. Assign a unique ID to each store to avoid duplication and allow easy updates. Match columns, set coordinates, and submit. Locations are automatically plotted on the map. Here you can search any specific location or delete them also. Using Add User, add team members and assign roles by providing email address. Admins get full control, while others have role-based access. Then click Add to add members, select members to participate in survey and send invite. Using Map Tool, draw a polygon around points to allocate that specific location to that assignee, so that they can only focus on the points assigned to them. Using colors, you can change the color to differentiate properly, and filters helps with assigned points and filter out specific locations by choice. When everything is set, start the survey. Inspectors then use the MAPOG Contributor mobile app in the field. They go to Add Location to confirm new locations, add title and details, upload photos, and complete surveys with the data they have collected throughout survey, capture drugstore photo and upload them, even saving progress as draft or submitting instantly. The status is clearly visible on mobile interface. Back in MAPOG, admins track inspection status using Overview, Submitted, Pending, or Draft. Data can be filtered by assignee or status and exported as CSV. In the Review section, submissions changes can be approved or rejected. In the Review survey form, admin can clearly view all submission and even change the status from submitted to approved. Inspection data can be opened directly in the map editor. Creating a live, visual overview of field activity. From preparation to inspection to review, MAPOG simplifies drug inspection data collection. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.